Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with using your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can watch various different live streams. Now, whenever you are watching a live stream, you will see the follow button alongside the username. If you tap on this button, you will become a follower of this user. You can find all of the users that you are following within the following button at the top left corner. So go ahead and tap on it, and this will show you all of the individuals that you follow. Just tap on any profile that you wish to unfollow, and this will open up their channel page. When you tap on the live stream, you will be able to see the username and the following option. Just tap on this button and you will be asked if you are sure that you wish to unfollow this user. Tap on the yes button and now you will immediately unfollow this user's account. You can do this with as many number of accounts that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unfollow someone on the Twitch application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.